Difficulty level for this one is very easy, and this one is best suited for the kids between the age group of 5 to 7. It's actually a lantern. See how bright it looks and it's glowing. Do the further detailing as shown here. This one is very easy. For this you have to draw 1, 2, 0, and after that you have to follow the steps as shown in the video. Just pause it and try to follow it step by step. Actually we are trying to draw a nurse that's wearing a PPE kit and holding a syringe in its hand. Difficulty level is somewhat medium and it's best suited for the kids between the age group of 7 to 10 years. You don't need to fill the whole body of the nurse, just strokes of the color. Let's try to trace down a softy cone. For this we are making some of the twist and then we are going to make the cone. This one is very easy and best suited for the kids between the age group of 5 to 6. Let's try to draw a fish in just few simple steps. You can try to draw this one. It's best suited for the kids between the age group of 5 to 6. You can see how easy it is. Just try to fill it with any other color. We are using the sketch pens here. You can use pencil one.